Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So we are getting many requests for creating videos related to the thermodynamics part because this part is very important and considered as tough one. Okay, so in this part we are creating videos for Maxwell equations. Okay, so in this video I am not going to tell you the derivation part of this Maxwell equation because that is not important for gate aspects. Okay, so however I can do the derivation part also if you will if someone is facing request, if someone is facing problem in this derivation part. Okay, so here I will tell you the tricks, means how to remember this Maxwell equation for examination. Okay, because in examination you don't have much time, so that you can do the derivation and you can find the Maxwell equations. Okay, because they will give 1 mark or 2 mark questions, so you cannot do that much for the one marks. Okay, and the time will also not permit you. So here I will tell you how to write the Maxwell equations. Okay, so how we get the Maxwell equations? So mainly three equations may be used for writing Maxwell equations. Okay, so what are those equations? Okay, so H is equals to U plus PV. This is very basic, that's why I am telling you. Okay, so you can also write like that: DH is equals to TDS plus VDP if you will take partial differential. Okay, so A is equals to U minus TS, second equation. So this A is Helmholtz free energy. Okay, so I think you must have aware of those terms. So as dt, I'm considering that you know these terms. Okay, so A is equals to U minus TS, and the last one is G, that is Gibbs free energy term. Okay, so G is equals to H minus TS. So you may write like that: dg is equals to minus s dt plus v dp. Okay, so we will use these three equations, and we can use these three equations and we can find the Maxwell equation. But okay, so here I'm not going to tell you the derivation, that's why I have given the information, the like how we get the Maxwell equations from where. Okay, so also we use the exact differential function that you have studied in mathematics part. Okay, so dl by dy is equals to dm by dx. This is how we can write exact differential. Okay, so this is the way of writing exact differential, but you need not do these things in examination. So suppose if you get in examination this type of question examination, you will simply draw a box like that. Okay, so how you will draw a box? You will draw a box like that. Okay, and you can write like that: tv by ps. Okay, so what is the trick? Tv by ps. Okay, and this is the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line of box, that's why we will take the minus sign here. Okay, and this is the vertical line, so there is no need to take any sign because that is positive. Okay, so this is horizontal line, so we can consider it as minus sign. Okay, so how to write the Maxwell equation? First Maxwell equation, how we can write? We'll take the ratio of differential of these parts. Okay, so how we can write like that? We can write like that: del t by del p is equals to del v by del s. Okay, so this is the way of writing Maxwell equations. Okay, and here this is p, and here this is s, so we will take s here constant and here p constant. Okay, so we can do reverse. What we are doing, we are taking reverse values like that. Here this is p, so we are taking p as a constant here, and here this is s, so we are taking s as a constant here. Okay, so this is the first equation. And how we can write second equation? Just simply reverse this first equation. Okay, so if you will reverse the first equation, you will get Maxwell's second equation. So how? Del p by del t, I am only reversing this first equation for getting second equation. Okay, so ds by dv. Okay, so this is the concept. So here this is v, here this is t, so we will take v here and we will take t here. Okay, so we will just reverse first equation for getting the second equation. Okay, so what about the third equation? How we can get third equation? We'll take ratio here like tv, del t by del v by del p by del s. Okay, so what is the equation? Del t by del v is equals to del p by del s. Okay, but here this is minus sign, so we will take one minus sign. Okay, we will not take two minus sign because we can take only one minus in equation. Okay, so this is v del v, this is del s, so we will take s here and v here. So this is the simply third equation of this Maxwell equation. And how we can write fourth equation? Just reverse the third equation. Okay, so del v by del t is equals to del s by del p. Okay, so here this is delta t, here this is delta p, so we will take t here and we will take p here, and minus sign is also there, so we can take like that. Okay, so this is the way of writing Maxwell equations. Okay, this is just simply we can write in examination within a minute, and we can cross check our options. Okay, so suppose if you have any other concept, so you can use that. If you don't have, opt this TV by PS concept. Okay, so what is this concept? This concept is TV by PS. Okay, so once you will do the practice like that, so you need not to make the box and all, just you can remember in your mind and you can use these tricks in examination for saving your time. Okay, so this or these, whenever you will get this type of questions, the options may be very confusing. Okay, so don't worry about those things, just use this trick for remembering Maxwell equations. Okay, so if you will able to find the first equation, so you will just reverse the first equation and you will get second equation. This is how, if you will able to write the third equation, you will reverse the third equation and you will get fourth equation also. Okay, so this will help you in your examination for GATE 2021. Okay, so this is very important concept. Please try to follow this trick and also apply this trick in previous year questions. Suppose if you are finding any problem, try to contact us on Instagram. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this Maxwell equations. And suppose if you are finding any problem in any other thing, so please try to message us on Instagram. We will try to include those things in our upcoming videos. Thank you.